Hello everyone, welcome back into our Wednesday night newscast. Mike Schultz here once again talking about the weather all day long. A little bit of light snow here and there, but the good news is the cloud cover kept the cold air from moving in so far. It's expected to decrease overnight, and tomorrow clear skies should allow more colder temperatures to move in, but only for one day. That's the good news. More about that later on. Here's our photograph tonight. This one really a gorgeous shot sent in by Wayne Jex, getting the reflection of the Chena River and the trees in the background there with the winter foreground. And very nice shot there. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. And we have 3 places left that have the Fab Photos as Personnel Plus, Ice Fog Vapors, and also, I'm forgetting the third one, but I'll remember it and I'll send it along to you. Anyway, there's one more that has them left, but that's it. They're all going to be gone pretty soon. So be sure and check them out, and if you get a chance to. Here's what's going on as far as our numbers are concerned. 1 degree the high today, the low last night 5 degrees below zero, the record high 44 in 1985, 56 below in 1961. Sunrise and sunset, 3 hours and 43 minutes. That's a gain of 24 seconds from yesterday. Nice to pass that along. And what's going on as far as our satellite and radar, you can see the cloud structure moving slowly to the east. Behind it, skies clearing out, and that's where the coldest air is at. And as it moves out slowly to the east, that will allow the cold air to move in. But this next system moving in from the southwest might catch up with it possibly in time to give us maybe a little chance of seeing not quite so cold temperatures tomorrow night for Christmas Eve. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, it's just maybe clear to partly cloudy skies over the southeast. Juneau at 32 degrees, Ketchikan 27. Anchorage, a chilly 7 degrees today. That's pretty cool for them. Kodiak at 33, cloudy skies. Also some showers on the Aleutian Chain around Cold Bay at 35. Now you jump over the Aleutian Chain, you get back into cold air again. 6 degrees at Bethel, 13 degrees below at Nome, and 18 degrees below at Barrow, with Fort Yukon 8 degrees below zero. Okay, let's head on down to the lower 48 and talk about a lot of activity going on today. First of all, the eastern side of the country is getting hammered. Today there were tornadoes in parts of Mississippi, all the way up into the Tennessee Valley, all because of this storm system here. Strong frontal boundary here moving across. At the same time, it's helping to bring some cold precipitation, probably in the form of sleet or snow, to many areas of the Minnesota area, right on into Wisconsin. Out to the west, it is cold. You can see the spotty clouds moving across the Pacific Ocean here. That's some cold air moving across the warmer waters. And Seattle getting hammered, also around Portland, Oregon, getting quite a bit of rainfall there too. And again, looking at the activity across the central plains too. Now, as far as what's happening, record-breaking warmth is expected this weekend. As you can see, temperatures are once again rising 25 to 35 degrees in the dark orange areas. The yellow orange is still 15 to 25 degrees above normal. And that's going to continue right on through the weekend, setting all types of records, as you can well imagine. But next week, boy, it's going to be really, really rough because the jet stream is going to take a big drop down to the south. That's going to help to develop a winter storm that'll move right across the plains and bring more severe thunderstorm activity over the deep south and more warm temperatures over to the northeast, so they can't get a break there. Okay, time for our weather fact for today. Well, in 1989, Topeka, Kansas had an all-time winter low reading of 26 degrees below zero. That is really cold for those folks. And again, thanks to our folks at Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather each night. And once again, a reminder, the kids are off for vacation, but the class from Salsha Elementary School will be returning as our guests on the 5th of January. Here's what's going on as far as the forecast for tomorrow. For the northern section, slight chance of snow for Barrow, partly cloudy skies for Nome, light snow or flurries for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at clearing skies and colder temperatures for the entire region. You can see Fairbanks is 17 below. And over southeast Alaska, we're looking at partly cloudy skies at Juneau and sunshine expected for Ketchikan. So nice weather down there. Over to the southwest, a little mixed bag of weather. Mixed showers for Cold Bay, rain and snow in Kodiak, and snow showers at Bethel. And down across the south central regions, partly cloudy skies in Anchorage, some fog for Homer, and sunny skies at Valdez. And our forecast for the remainder of the night, like I said, we have that light snow that should be diminishing throughout the night into morning, turning colder, 20 below for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast calling for On Christmas Eve day, 17 below for the high, skies clearing by afternoon, and colder temperatures by the evening, dropping down close to 30 below. But on Christmas Day, 0 for the high, and you can see 10 to 12 degrees, even at 15 degrees above 0 as we warm back up again for the rest of the short left we have left on 2015. Overnight lows will also be warming up to 0 to 5 above. So all in all, not too bad. At least it's going to be 40 below.